Hyundai has announced one of its largest safety recalls in recent years. 568,580 Hyundai Palisade SUVs in the United States alone are being recalled. These are Palisades from model years 2020 through 2025, and the issue centers on potentially faulty seatbelt latch, buckle assemblies. So, why is Hyundai recalling nearly every Palisade in that model year span? The root cause lies with a supplier who provided components for the seatbelt buckle latches that were manufactured outside of specification. These defective components can cause interference within the latch channel, increasing friction. In cold weather, or when the belt tongue is inserted slowly, this friction can prevent the buckle from fully latching. If a buckle doesn't latch, the seatbelt may not restrain an occupant properly in a crash, greatly increasing risk of injury. What makes the recall so large is that the fault might be present across very many units because the supplier error affected latch assemblies used in front seats, driver, passenger, and the second row outboard seats on those model years. Hyundai estimates that only about 1% of the recalled vehicles have the defect in practice. But since the latch assemblies came from a problematic batch, or batches, and were widely used, the recall covers basically all Palisades built in those years. Hyundai's investigation was triggered by customer complaints and reports to the U.S. safety regulator, the NHTSA. Those complaints concerned seatbelts not latching properly. During the cold months in particular, the issue seemed to worsen. More warranty claims. So Hyundai and its suppliers analyzed the manufacturing process. By July 2025, Hyundai determined that the supplier's injection molding for latch guides was out of guideline. They changed the supplier and latch guide design, but by then many vehicles had already left the factories with the faulty parts. What will be done? Hyundai will inspect the seatbelt buckles in all affected vehicles and replace those found faulty at no charge. Dealers will contact owners once parts are ready. Notification letters are to be mailed by November 10, 2025. Until then, Hyundai is urging drivers to fasten the belt firmly with a quick, direct motion, then pull on the belt to verify that it is fully latched. Also, drivers may notice weaker or lighter than normal click sounds when inserting the belt or may feel that the buckle push button is recessed. Those are warning signs. It's worth noting, Hyundai is not aware of any crashes, injuries, or deaths linked directly to this issue so far. That doesn't mean it's safe to ignore. Seatbelts are a first line of defense, so even a small failure can become dangerous in the wrong situation. Also, there have been previous recalls on the Palisade for other safety concerns, notably a fire risk due to tow-hitch wiring harness issues, 2020 to 2022 Palisade models. In that case, moisture or debris in the wiring harness could lead to a short circuit and possibly a fire. Owners were advised to park outside away from structures until repairs were made. For Palisade owners, check your vehicle identification number, VIN, on Hyundai's or NHTSA's recall website to see if your vehicle is included. If it is, schedule the free inspection/repair as soon as possible. Even if you don't detect any problem, because the defect may be intermittent or only in certain conditions, acting early reduces risk. Moreover, the fix will be free of charge whether or not your vehicle is still under warranty.